The tutorial section is to teach you a couple of different skills that you'll need to have down pat to be successful in the Hour of Code. So we learned how to look, and now we're going to learn how to walk. And so you move D to move right, and A to move left, W to move forward, and actually S to move backwards, so that it does not cover it there. Now moving around. Now we're going to practice jumping, which we just use the space bar. You can also automate jumping in your settings, which is what I often do. Now we're going to learn how to aim our device and interact with NPCs. So I'm going to go here to this NPC where I see the little arm sign. I'm going to right click. It's going to tell me how to use items in my hotbar, and we're going to actually place some blocks. So you're going to say I'm going to actually use S to walk backwards. So here I am going to make sure that I have the block in my hand. So I press the number 1, or you can roll it, or use tab to make sure that you have the blocks in your hand. And I am going to, as you can see here, I'll just do a little step case, and now I build my little staircase. And now we're going to interact with this NPC to place blocks to build a bridge. So that should be pretty straightforward. So we're going to use the same idea, and we're going to interact. I'm going to place a block here, a block here, a block here, and a block here to walk across. I've made a really cute little bridge. And now I'm going to talk to this next NPC. So now we're going to break blocks, which is now left clicking to break them. We're just going to hold off on left clicking. So as I just hold and left click. Most of you will be right clicking though. So now we're going to interact with the button. We're going to right click on that button, and we're going to walk into the portal. And here we go. So let's begin this game. So we're now beginning Hour of Code Generation AI, and we are waking up in the morning, and we get to go interact with our computers here. Little fish here, Gil, so cute. Hey, it's the agent. Oh, hello, is that you? You look different. Smaller. Looks like our AI has problems and we need to go. Whoa, slow down, talking computer. Artificial intelligence, AI. Does it ring a bell? Oh no, I went too far back. I'll explain everything on the way. We gotta go. So you want to know what AI is? Well, artificial is something that's created by people. And AI, artificial machines, are essentially computers that have been trained with data to not be human, but to imitate how humans think and act. So that's what I am, an AI created with the thoughts and ideas that humans programmed into me, or should I say that you programmed into me. Me? I don't remember programming you, and I don't understand what we're doing here. You said the AI had problems? Well, let's go find out. Yes, the AI you created is missing the principles of responsible AI. So we need to find these guidelines and then to retrain our AIs. So we're going to visit all our defining moments in our AI creation journey. And then we're going to learn the principles so we can build our AI responsibly. First thing we're going to do is seek 4 AI guides. They're on top of those pillars. Let's go. So first thing we're going to do is build a bridge just like we did in the tutorial before. So we're going to build one here, 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 and here. I don't understand fairness and inclusiveness, says the first AI guide. I was never taught these concepts. Let's travel back to my humble beginnings and see what happened. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a really cool tunnel of time. So this is our AI lunch dispenser. The student passes by the scanner and detects them, and then serves them lunch. So scans a person, provides them lunch. Scans a person and provides them lunch. Looks like everybody's super hungry. Scans a person and doesn't detect them. Oh no. What's this? The AI is not giving food to some of the students. We need to find a way to fix this issue. For this to be fair, it's important that every student gets their food. It looks like the AI didn't work for students that go under the scanner, such as Miguel in his wheelchair. We must be inclusive and ensure that all students can be recognized and served their food. So we're going to choose our programming language. I'm going to choose MakeCode Blocks. So first coding activity. Let's go proceed to code. So the food dispenser is not finding some students because they can't see them properly. So we can actually press the green button to see what happened, which we just did. Also, always look at we have a question here for a tip. Try a different setting for scan type. Oh, that's super helpful. So I'm going to go find scan type. And I'm going to look to see what's possible. Scan smart. So while it's lunchtime, scan smart. And if it finds a student, then serve them lunch. And then wait. Let's try that. Looks like it worked. Yes. Congrats to the code. Yay me. Excellent. You have learned the principles of fairness and inclusiveness, and now this knowledge can be added to your AI. Let us return. All right. Great work. I can feel the fairness and inclusiveness coursing through my wires. You did very well solving the problem and fixing it. Now that my power has increased, I can help you to reach the next AI guide by building a bridge using code, but I'll need your help. So we guys press C to code. All right, we're going to build a bridge. The code won't get you to the yellow pillar. Press the green button and watch the agent build. Notice the mistakes the agents make. Let's see. It's got 1, 2, 3 blocks down. Well, that bridge is too short. So let's go and reset it. Yes. Let's do it again. And let's add some more blocks. Place down. Place down. And place down. And let's just do one more. And place down. So to look at all of my code, I made the screen a little smaller so you could see it. And it looks like I've got 7 blocks. Let's see what happens. Yep, great. Let's cross. Oh no, I fell. All right. You made it. It wasn't easy, I know. To be honest, it took me a very long time to get here. That's because I never learned about reliability and safety. But hey, now that you're here, let's go learn about it together. Follow me, just not too closely. That looks really cool. The tunnel of time. There's no place like home, right? This is the day you first tested your next AI creation, the smart mower. This invention was going to make you a millionaire. Let's watch what happened when you turn it on. Spikes. Looks like my mower's hitting the sprinklers. Oh no, that's not gonna mow. That's not gonna water my whole lawn. That's just gonna make big puddles. See what we can do. Oops, your parents were not happy with that test run. It could have been much worse. It's really going to show you why we need the next set of principles, reliability and safety. Let's see if we can fix this. All right, let's press C to code. So press the green arrow to test the smart mower's code. Running over sprinkler heads and causing damage, which we just saw. It's not looking too smart now. Let's make it safe and reliable by changing the code so that it checks for grass sprinkler heads before it starts. So let's check. We're going to replace the cut. We're going to cut a grass block. And let's replace it with cut grass if no sprinkler. So I'm going to put that here, and I'm going to delete that block. I'm going to put that here and delete that block. And I'm going to put that here and delete that block. Let's see what happens. Hey, that looks great. Now we're talking. Excellent. You now understand the principles of reliability and safety, and this knowledge can now become part of your eye. Let's head back. All right. My powers are growing and surging with safety and reliability. You did well solving the problem and fixing it. The next AI guide waits. We're going to have to code to build this next bridge. We're going to use loops, which allow us to do instructions over and over. All right, so let's get over there. Press C to code. So using this code to make a bridge, it reaches the green pillar. Let's press the green button to see what happens. All right, so this is going to only repeat it 3 times, placing it up. And let's check. We want to change the number inside the repeat block too. So that's definitely too small. That says 3 times and placing up. Let's see what happens. No, that's not going to happen. So that's not going to help me get across. Let's go reset that. Yes. So I know that it wasn't long enough, so I'm going to do it 7 times. So the last time I did it was 7, and we should definitely be placing down. So let's see if that works. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes! I did it across. Let's see if I can do it without falling. Oh no! This is what happens when you play with a glide pad. All right, here we made it. Hey, I'm supposed to take you on a trip. Well, you should know I do whatever I want. No consequences or regret. I was never taught about transparency and accountability, so nobody knows what's going on inside this head. Wow. Transparent, ready to see how I ended up this way? Let's go. Maybe there's something you can do to fix me. Yeah, definitely. Now we're going to look down the tunnel of time. Let's see what's happening here. All right. Whoa, what's going on here? Yikes. That's messy. All right, transparency and accountability. Here we are. See that? That's no ordinary bird. That's an AI trash collector, part of Project Preen, your plan to clean up the city. These robot birds should collect garbage from around town and fly to a nearby dumpster, but that's definitely not working. We got to go to the control block to see what's wrong. All right, let's go to that control box. I see it right over there. That little hand signal is the critical signal for us to know where to go. So now we're going to open that up. All right. Wow, that's a lot of code. But look here, no coding is required. We can't quite understand the code because some of it's unclear and hidden. Before we could fix the problem, we need to decode the secret words. Let's follow the birds to see if we can figure out what this code is doing. So next, this code is called the black box. That's what we call it when the code's workings are hidden or hard to understand from the outside. You can interact with the code, but you don't know what it's doing. The details are hidden from you. That's not good. Let's follow the birds. If we can interact with one, we can check out its code and try to decode it. Decoding is like solving a secret message. Figure out its special language, and you'll be able to understand what it's really doing. All right, well, let's go. Well, let's take a closer look at that bird. Scanning, deciphering. Here we go. Trash. Okay, that's the first one. Great job. You figured out the first part of the code. Let's follow the birds and see where they go next. All right, let's see where they're going. We follow these birds. Oh, they're just dumping trash everywhere. Wow, they're really messy. They are not working. Quick, another bird. Let's scan it. Scanning, deciphering. So trash, dumpster. All right, that's our second clue. Still going. Let's follow these birds. Oh yeah, because they're still messing about. Let's see what we can. Another one. You know what to do. Scan it. All right, scanning, deciphering, and release. So trash, dumpster, release. Yes, that's it. You cracked the code. It's no longer a black box. We can read all of the instructions now. It's code. It's transparent. So let's go to investigate the control blocks again. No coding is required here. Now we notice that there are two unused blocks you might find useful. Let's leave the coding screen and see if we can find a dumpster to put the trash into. With the black box decoded, we can now reprogram the AI. Let's go do it. The bird should be taking the trash to a nearby dumpster. Let's find it. Oh, looks like it's right there. Let's walk over. Looks like there's no birds doing it because they're not been coded well. There it is. Now that we have the dumpster's location data, when you're ready, press C to code and deploy to fix the AI trash birds. All right, let's fix these birds. Now that we've encoded the secret words, we can tell that the birds are told to pick up the trash, but there's nowhere to put it. Let's update the code by using different instructions so the birds can handle trash in a better way, like flying to the dumpster and dropping it there. So we need to replace move trash with the two new blocks. That sounds good. Press C to code. All right, so move trash needs to be taken out, and we need to put fly to dumpster. That looks like one, and release trash. Dumpster. So it's trash, dumpster, and release. Looks like we're good to go. Let's see what happens. Success! You learned the principles of transparency and accountability, and now this knowledge can become part of your AI. Let's get out of here. I'm accountable to being completely transparent with you. You did well to identify the problem and fix it. Wow, that felt good to say. Whatever you're doing, you're on the right track. I'm evolving rapidly now and have gained even more abilities. You will no longer need to input code to reach the other pillar. I can now generate a bridge from a prompt. A prompt lets you give instructions to the AI. It responds by generating information based on what you've asked it. It's a whole new way to communicate with the AI. Your final AI guide is waiting for you on that pillar. Let's build a bridge again, but this time I'll use a data set I've created from our past challenges to generate the bridge. To start prompting, interact with me. All right? What kind of bridge do I want? I want a tall bridge. Um, let's make it out of wool. Let's make it just right. Thank you for your input generating now. All right, let's see what happens. Wow. Ha. This is architectural marvel. Magnificently showcases your engineering and design acumen. Let's cross that bridge. Wow. That was fun. Whoa, where'd you come from? Oh, it's just you. Sorry, it's really scary here. I never learned the concepts of privacy and security, so I'm always looking over my shoulder, you know? Well, now that you've arrived, let's get out of here. Hopefully you can find a way to help us be secure. Let's cross the bridge and go down the time tunnel. All right, here we are in our next scene. Looks like someone is knocking. Hmm, what's going on? Oh, looks like someone's selling something at the door. All right. Oh, not again. What now? Vacuum cleaners. Hmm. Welcome to AI Tech Locks. This is your office. It's here that you created the AI for the most secure smart locks on the market. You spent many hours here writing code and fixing bugs. All right, well, let's check it out. Hey, looks like you got an email. You should read it. It could be about a bug or even a customer trying to get help. From customer, lock bug. Dear AI Tech Locks, we keep having salespeople come. Now that's what was happening. Come to our door at awkward times. How do they always know when we're home? Is it possible they could have access to our private information? Whoa, that sounds like a serious issue. Let's try reviewing the door's access report to see if it's working properly. Check the door. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah. All of the entry and exit points and times are there. That's not good. Super public. Oh no, the access report is public. Everyone can see it. To keep everything safe and private, we must make sure only the right people can view this. Use the CodeCrafter AI on your computer to continue. So I have a couple options. I can do add feature, log off, or fix bug. Well, I don't want to log off. Add a feature? Now it's not the time to add a new feature. Let's work on fixing that bug. Okay, well, let's fix the bug. What kind of issues are you having? The door isn't locking. No, that's not a problem. The display isn't working. That's not a problem. Non-admins can view the log. That is the issue. So permission issue. Issue detected. Opening code now. I found the problem. It is a bug in the access report on the device. After fixing the issue, run the code again. I will check to make sure everything is working properly once your changes are applied. All right, let's go. Press C to code. See if it works. All right, anyone can see the access report showing who has been using the door locks, which is a big problem. We should change the code so that only the right people, such as admins, can see the reports. Change the part of the code where it checks off what kind of user you are. Okay, so, oh, right here, user permissions, and I want only to be an admin. Okay, so that looks like that's the only thing I need to change is that. So that looks pretty straightforward. Let's see if it works. All right. Hey, great, didn't show me. Problem solved. That fixed it. You've successfully blocked access to the logs, allowing access only to those who need it. Refresh the code to make sure that all logs get the update patch. Nice job. That bug was a big security risk. You've learned the principles of privacy and security, and now this knowledge can be part of your AI. Let's get out of here. Let's see what's happening now. Oh, Lord. Oh, here we go. Name at the door? Nope, 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 nope. Hey, time to eat. Awesome. It worked. We got customers happy with our AI power. Welcome back. You did well identifying and fixing the problem. How do you answer that you succeeded? My zeros and ones tingled. I now feel complete. We are becoming responsible AI. Whoa, what is this? There's still one pillar left far beyond your sight. However, it's the most important pillar. I will take you to it now. Hop on. All right, let's ride. Ready? Hold on tight. Here we go. This is pretty fun. Woo! All right, that was quite a ride. See you on the other side. Huh? Oh, whoa, a tunnel of time. This is your final challenge. You must take what you've learned and use it to teach us. Ooh. Oh, all of the agents are back. It's not fair to exclude us. We're ready to learn. We don't feel safe. We're counting on you. All right, let's go and match these up. All right, we're gonna fix these. We want you to be honest. Come on now, finish what you've started. Remember the principles. We are ready. You are ready. All right, so I can take a look here. I'm going to match. So teaching the AI objects with a range. So that looks like that's about fairness. This one is about, oh, self-driving cars. That's about safety and reliability, right? So, okay, that looks like it's about transparency. And this one, add a way to learn to be open with code used by AI. Let's try it out. So the red agent is fair and exclusive. The green agent is oh wow, here we go. That's awesome. You did it. You've taught us principles of responsible AI. We are now complete. Whoa, what's happening here? Whoa. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa, where am I? This is your work, your creation. Welcome to Generation AI. I'm ready to assist you in creating this special place. There are no more coding challenges. Instead, I'll provide you prompts. You provide the answer. Now, shall we begin? Ooh, what biome would I like? How about a flower forest? I want it to be sunrise. I'd like a starter home. Animals. Creative. Peaceful. Next. All right, that's what happens. Wow. It's making my map for me. And my animals. Creative. Peaceful. It's done. Your AI world is complete. You can do whatever you want here. build, play, explore, code. If you need help or want to regenerate this place, return to me to chat about it. And thank you for playing the Hour of Code. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's the chicken. And if I want to go and change it, I can go and regenerate it. I can change the difficulty, I can change the game code, I can cancel it, I can change the time, or I can make another whole code. Yeah, yeah. They give me a desert at noon with a monument, and I like animals again. And let's just do creative and peaceful. I'm a peaceful person. Let's see what happens now. Generating my desert. Whoa, that's cool. Time at noon. My monument is being built. Where's that? Wow. Spawning some animals. I love them. Creative and peaceful. Well, that's really cool. It's done. My UI world. Thank you for playing the Hour of Code. Thank you. And press escape to end. I am finished. And then I can get my certificate. And I can just put in my name. Thank you.